So, yes, today we are going to discuss our new chapter, which is gases, like state of matter, which is gas. So, this will be first class of that video. So, let's get started with the law of gases. And I'm sure you know the gas. Gas is so easy. I have also made a video on the difference between the states of matter. Then you can first that before starting this video, then you can get completely what is gas. Okay, so today we are going the law of gases. So what does this statement simply means? The law. Let me just write. The law you see, not see, but have ever thought or have ever read in your book. The law which describes describe relation between temperature, pressure, temperature, tab. Wait, oh, let me just write between pressure, temperature, and what else could be volume, number of gas, and that simply is called law of gases. What does this mean? This mean the law which you just see, which you describe, have relationship between what these all. What is that? There's a pressure. How if this is a container and this is a container. Wait, let me just make it with a permanent pen. Okay, so if this is a container and here we also have another container, so law of gases will be affected in means in sense that if I have few particles or molecules here and I start compressing, I'm compressing these all, so they will become like this. They will become at a lower position because they have been compressed. Okay, because when they have compressed, they have changed their position. Change their position means they are not at the particular shape where they exactly were before. So when you provide them pressure, they got disturbed. Disturb means they got changed. So pressure would be equal. Should be clear that the law which we describe, they all have the relationship between pressure, because if you increase or decrease, their molecules would have a like change. That's very easy. Then with temperature, so for suppose if I've taken a container, the best example I'm just going to give you, you might have noticed that if this is a solid, wait, this is the solid and this is the gas. So how does temperature really means? So we know that the solid have very tightly packed molecule like this. They like don't really have much space between. And if we talk about gas have particles like this, like these. So you can see a huge difference in it, because in solid, if you will provide them temperature, we are giving them temperature. For example, we are giving them heat. So solid require more heat, and if we talk about the gas, we are also giving heat to this, but gas particles are very far from each other, so they will not get affected, or they will get affected but very quickly within minutes. But solid require time to break, time to change its state. Okay, so this for the fire, this the solid, this the liquid. So solid particles are tightly packed, so they need more temperature. Temperature should also affect pressure, volume also, because the density, the volume they contain, the body length, and these all not number of moles but number of gas. Sorry, number of moles should be in the first chapter of chemistry, which we'll discuss as well. So number of gas, because